Welcome to 360 Finance Plus. If you're ready to gain financial literacy and explore financial freedom through cryptocurrency, this class is for you. We'll show you how to find the next big crypto gems, even with a small investment. But remember this golden rule: never invest what you cannot afford to lose. Let's get started. Let me show you what's possible with smart investing. Kevin bought $1,000 worth of QNT on August 23, 2018. By September 11, 2021, his investment was worth $1.7 million. Vanessa bought $1,000 of ADA on March 15, 2020. By September 1, 2021, her investment was worth $99,000. All that with a small investment and great timing. And you could be next if you learn the right tools and principles. In our next episode, we'll use the Crypto Pro app to make investment decisions. Go ahead and download it now on your device, Apple or Android. You'll need it to follow along. But first, what is cryptocurrency? Let's break down the basics. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Its value can rise fast, drop quickly, or stay flat. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. But there are thousands more, and some hold hidden gems. Next up, market capitalization, or market cap. This shows how much money is invested globally in a particular crypto. Big market cap equals less risk, less reward. Small market cap equals more risk, more reward. We suggest investing in coins with a market cap between $80 million and $150 million. It's the sweet spot for balancing risk and reward. Now let's talk supply. Current supply equals how many tokens are in circulation right now. Total supply equals the maximum number of tokens that will ever exist. We recommend choosing coins where the current to total supply ratio is at least 0.85 to 1. This shows the coin is already mostly released, reducing the risk of future dumping. The price of a cryptocurrency is simple math: market cap divided by current supply. But don't let price fool you. A 1-cent coin isn't always cheap, and a $200 coin isn't always expensive. What matters is potential growth. Volume tells you how much of a coin is being traded in the last 24 hours. High volume equals interest in activity. Low volume equals risky, possibly dead project. Let's clear something up. High, the highest price the coin ever sold for. Low equals the lowest it's ever sold for. You'd be surprised how many mix those up. Now you have a solid foundation in crypto investing. In our next episode, we'll use all these concepts live with the Crypto Pro app to find potential winning investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. This is 360 Finance Plus, your guide to financial literacy, freedom, and smart crypto investing. See you next class.